some idea regarding what are the major breeds of cattle available here. Now in this class we will be making a classification how the cattle breeds are divided or classified based on the purpose. There are different purposes for cattle. So as far as there are two main type of cattle we can find. One is indigenous breeds or Desi type of breeds which are normally natively present in India. Then other is introduced breeds or cattle which has been imported into India from other parts of the world. Just like our rubber plant that is introduced into Kerala from Brazil or South America. So many such type of cattle are also there. We will come to that. So indigenous breeds are highly valued for the resilience and disease resistance and susceptibility to local condition. For example, when we are rearing the native breeds of cattle or native breeds of cow or buffalo, they won't be affected by diseases quickly. They are very much resistant against disease. But the introduced breeds, they are not native here, so they will be facing more disease. That is one problem with the exotic breeds or foreign breeds. Now other thing, so you will see some of the major breeds, indigenous breeds. Here you can see that Desi breeds of cattle in here. So these are the main breeds. One is Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Tharparkar. These are the four major or indigenous breeds. They are known as milch breed. That is, they are mainly reared for producing more milk. And here you can see the region from where they are commonly present. For example, Gir is mainly present in Gir hills of Gujarat and Kathiawar. So if we are, I will show you some pictures that. Then in the case of Sahiwal, that is present in the Punjab area of Pakistan. Then in the Sindh area of Pakistan also there is a Red Sindhi breed is there. Then Sindhi is, I think it is also heard here. Then Tharparkar, Rajasthan. They are living mainly in the desert region of Rajasthan. I will show you some pictures of that. Then you will be able to so these are the Gir. These are the Gir cattle. So this is mainly present in Gujarat area. See, they are very strong, very large cattle. So they have a long pendulous ear. Pendulous ear means, see, this is the ear, type of ear they are showing. See, this is the type of ear they are having. Very pendulous ear and very high milk yield. See, here you can see that they have a very large, I think this is some artificial picture. I don't think it is natural. Yeah. So this one also is there. So here you can see that, so they have a very long pendulous ear, that is one feature. Then high milk yield. So that is one important peculiarity of the Gir cattle introduced from Gujarat. Then Sahiwal is another type of cattle. Sahiwal is mainly present in Punjab area of Pakistan. Sahiwal cow. Here you can see that this is a Sahiwal cow. So they are very large also. Here you can see that these are all Sahiwal cow. See, here you can see very costly also. This is the Sahiwal cow. Here also you can see that. So these are very strong, large sized cattle. Indigenous dairy breed, reddish brown. See, color is also reddish brown. It's like color, calm, high milk yield. So that is why these breeds are known as the dairy breeds or milch breeds. They are mainly reared for producing more milk. Then another one is the red Sindhi. Red Sindhi. Red Sindhi cow. Sometimes you might have heard about Sindhi Pashu and other things here also. So this is the red Sindhi. See, this is the red Sindhi cow. Here also you can see that. There is also have a very large milk production. See, here also you can find. This is the red Sindhi. This is the type of. This is the red Sindhi. The color is more reddish brown. That is why it is known as a red Sindhi. Then deep reddish brown. So here also you can see that. Compared with the Sahiwal cow and other things, this is a Sahiwal. Here you can see that the color is more deeper reddish brown. That is why we call it by the name red Sindhi. And it is present in Sindh area, originated from the Sindh area of Pakistan. And hardy means very strong. Means that is very strong. Used for crossbreeding due to milk yield. So because of its strong nature, it is used as in crossbreeding of cattle for producing more milk. So that is about the third cattle, that is a Sindhi. Tharparkar. It is available from originally came from Rajasthan area of the Thar desert. So here you can see that Tharparkar. Tharparkar cow. See, it is a not reddish brown or reddish. See, these are all Tharparkar cow. Here you can see that. They are also very strong. Here there is this is the Tharparkar cow. So here you can see that. They have a white to light grey coat. Unlike the previous one, which are more reddish or brownish in color, this one will be white or grey in color. That is one peculiarity. Then dual purpose breed. Dual purpose breed means they will be used mainly as a milk and also for a drought. Drought means using cattle for ploughing in farmland. That is why the drought cattle. So white to grey coat, dual purpose breed, known for both milk and drought resistant. So this is what is this using cattle for farming land. Here you can say. So this kind of farming practices. So farming cattle or carrying weights, these are the main purposes of drought cattle. So these are the four varieties: Gir variety, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi and Tharparkar. Now next one is a drought or work breed. Drought means they are mainly used for carrying out, either for running vehicle or like bullock cart. So for those purpose we are using a very strong animal. There are 5 varieties are the Amrud Mahal from Karnataka, then Kankayam, it came from Tamil Nadu area, Halikar, that is also from Karnataka, Kanagraj from Gujarat, and Malvi, that is also from Madhya Pradesh. So you should be able to at least remember, give an example for some drought breed. Or work breeds, these are the examples. You will have to remember the features of that. It's like the here if you Tharparkar, only Tharparkar is white or light grey in color. All other breeds are brownish in color. So some features you should be able to remember. I will show pictures of all this. Amrud Mahal. Amrud Mahal cow. See, this is the Amrud Mahal cow. It's not mainly used as a worker cow or drought animal. Here you can see that. So it is strong, fast, excellent for ploughing and carting. Grey color with the long horns. Here you can see the horns are very long. So these are some peculiarities of each. Every cow will be having its own peculiarity. So if you study them properly, we will be able to identify it easily. Then another variety is Kangayam. Kangayam is actually came from Tamil Nadu area. You will see. So this is the Kangayam. See here, you can see that. This is also a slightly stronger one. You can see that. So this is the Kangayam. So in case of Kangayam, compact, muscular, widely used as a draught animal. Then well known for endurance means very strength or strong. That is the meaning of the word endurance. Then it is from Kangayam area of Tamil Nadu. Then Halikar. Halikar is another breed. Halikar cow. This is the Halikar cow. Here you can see that. So this is the Halikar cow, also used as a draught animal, very agile. Agile means fast moving and strong, used in hilly regions for ploughing. White to grey in color. But this one is actually, they are saying white to grey in color. This may be the real Halikar. So, they are saying maybe a different breed of Halikar. So normal color, here you can see, this is the Halikar cow. Here also you can see that this is the Halikar. So this is the white to grey in color. That is how the Halikar breed. Very agile and strong. Mainly in hilly regions they are using it. White to grey in color. Then Kangaraj from Rajasthan. Kangaraj cow. See, this is a very strong looking Kangaraj cow. Here you can see that. Very strong, prominent looking cow. See, the size itself is very strong. Dual purpose, large, strong, horns, lyre shaped, used in yoke. Yoke, I think, means pulling or something. That is the meaning of the word yoke. So you can see that they are very prominent cows. Then Malvi from Madhya Pradesh. In case of that cow, here also this is the Malvi cattle. It came from Madhya Pradesh. See, this is how the Malvi cattle is appearing. It's from white coat are there. You can see that the color is white, legs are very strong. Used for heavy field work and pulling cart. So these kind of animals are mainly used for bullock carts, pulling of cow attached vehicles are known as the bullock carts. So these are some photos of different breeds of cattle. So in the case of these draught or work breeds, they are mainly used for some kind of work, either in agriculture or pulling of bullock carts. These are the main purpose. Then third is the dual purpose breed. So here you can see that three varieties are there. One is Ongole, came from Andhra Pradesh. They are large size. They are very strong also, but also produce some decent amount of milk yield, exported for breeding. Then Haryana, it came from Haryana of the region of Uttar Pradesh. White or light grey, used for milking and ploughing, and so and disease resistance also. Then Krishna Valley. Krishna Valley is from Karnataka or Maharashtra. They have a very strong build. Then good cow, good drought power means capable of work, high work efficiency. Then moderate milk yield. So these kind of breeds are known as, they are used as worker cows as well as milk producing cow. That is why they are known as a dual purpose breed. I'm not going into the photos of that. Then there are exotic and cross breeds are there. So their mainly purpose is more milk production. So India has adopted crossbreeding program using high yield exotic program, especially since the white revolution. Now India has a very large population. So everybody, almost everyone in all the families are drinking milk, either as pure milk or in the form of tea. So milk is widely needed across India. So that is why government has adopted White Revolution. White Revolution is a program just like agricultural to increase the production of milk by using better yielding, more milk producing cows. So here now these names may be popular now. Holstein Friesian. It came from Netherlands. Very high milk yield, black and white spotted body, less heat tolerant. So that because original location is from Netherlands. Netherlands means Holland. It is a cool country. Then another is Jersey Island. The origin is from Channel Island. Then Brown Swiss, that's also from Switzerland. I will show you the picture of these three breeds because they are very popular. Holstein. Holstein cow. So this is the Holstein cow. See, here you can see that they are very strong animal. So by simply looking at this cattle, because they have a black and white spotted body. So if you next time if you see any cattle and very strong, this is the Holstein, black and white spotted cattle. Then problem is that very not so much heat tolerant. So if you are rearing it, if you take them to, that is why in Munnar area, in Matupatti, if you go to Matupatti area, you can see some varieties of cows are there. They have a cattle rearing center or something, Matupatti area. Then another is the Jersey Island. Jersey came from Channel Island. I don't know where is Channel Islands. Channel Islands is a group of islands near Britain. That is a Channel Islands. And Jersey came from Channel Islands. See here you can see that. This is the Jersey. So compared with the Holstein Friesian, this is the Jersey. Almost looks like a normal cow here. See here you can see that brownish in color. So this is the Jersey, same like our normal, smaller frame, yellowish coat. So this is one is yellowish in color and better heat tolerance. So this is why Jersey cow is popular here compared with the Holstein. Problem with the Holstein is that they need a more colder climate. So in case of Jersey, they are heat tolerant and high fat milk. The amount of fat in the milk will be also more. Then another is the Brown Swiss, came from Switzerland and they are adaptable to Indian condition. That is why these names are common here, like a Jersey breed, Brown Swiss. So here you can see this is the Brown Swiss. You can see that this is the Brown Swiss. So they also look similar to the normal usual cattle here. This is the Brown Swiss. So here you can see that they are quite adaptable to the normal conditions in India. That is why they are being introduced here. And original place is Switzerland. And in case of Holstein Friesian, it's from Netherlands. Then these are some of the different type of animals. Then about the importance of indigenous breed, one is adaptability. Since they are from India, they are quite adaptable to diseases and local climate. Then they do not need any high maintenance cost. Then cultural significance, because cow is actually worshipped in many parts of India, because the cow is giving everything for the family. In most nearly 60 to 75% of Indian families are depending on agriculture. For them, cow is a major source of income. Cow gives them milk. Cow give them drought power. If they want to do some kind of agriculture, they are using cow for ploughing. So that is why they are considering cow with a lot of respect. Then genetic resource, essential for sustainable livestock development and conservation. So that's the importance of indigenous breed. Then here we have some important agency like National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources. They are doing a lot of research on these different breeds of animals, so that animals with a more disease resistance and more milk production. Then Rashtriya Google Mission, breed registration and promotion of Deshi cow A2 milk. So these are some effort by Government of India to promote more milk production and better cow health. So remember about the different type names in cow breeds like Holstein, Friesian, Jersey, Brown Swiss. Then also the Deshi breeds, dual purpose breeds. So these are some examples of different type of breed. Then we will see some videos later for how this cattle rearing is going on in India.